You are a proprietor. You are a proprietor.
No, my lordship. They have alleged that I am.
Sir, you are an employee or employer?
Worker has alleged that I am a broker and I have taken them to Simla.
Huh? Is there any agreement?
No, my lordship. No.
Then, what is the material placed before the labor court?
My lordship, this petition I order passed by labor court in case W456/2015. My lordship, basic issue we have challenged that the jurisdiction on the question of jurisdiction of Purnia court, whether it can decide the work which is done in Simla.
Where is the order? Where is the order?
Page 13 of the representation.
Page?
Page 13. 1-3.
Who is for respondent?
He has not been noticed.
Petitioner counsel? You don't know who is for respondent? You are a proprietor. You are a proprietor.
No, my lordship. They have alleged that I
Sir,
am
you are an employee or employer?
contract agent broker, my lordship. And alleged by contract laborers.
Work was executed in which area?
Simla, my lordship.
Where have you stated in your pleading? In which paragraph of a writ petition you have pleaded that labor court has no jurisdiction?
For my lordship.
No, you have asked them to. You are an employer in the state of Bihar, agent.
No, labor has alleged that I am a contract.
Sir, you are residing in Bihar.
Yes, my lord.
You have hired people from this Bihar state in order to engage their services in Himachal.
No, in real, I myself is labor at that place.
You are a labor. On one side you say that I am agent.
Labor worker has alleged that I am a broker and I have taken them to Simla.
Huh? Is there any agreement?
No, my lordship. No.
Then, what is the material placed before the labor court? That there is a master and servant relationship.
Simple statement of laborers. They have on a statement labor said.
Other than statement, nothing has been produced.
On the last occasion, Lordship has directed the petitioner to show that whether he has raised the
Any remedy?
issue of jurisdiction before the labor court, Lordship. And before that,
Now he is saying that the jurisdiction lies in this Shimla, Himachal Pradesh.
from the
Because the work was executed in the Himachal.
Lordship.
And that apart he says that he is also laborer.
Lordship. And before that order, the state was directed to show whether there is alternative remedy of
Against this order.
We have procured a notification of the state government by which it has been passed by the presiding officer of the labor court, Lordship, and the appeal lies before the presiding officer of the industrial tribunal.
No, then who has passed this page number 13?
It has been passed by the labor court, Lordship.
Then is there any provision appeal against the labor court before the labor court only? How can it be, sir?
It is the notification of
Sir, who is the authority? Appellate, who is the appellate authority?
appellate authority is presiding officer of the industrial tribunal, Lordship.
What about this?
It is
Page 13.
it is labor court, Lordship.
Labor court is one and the same, sir.
No,
It all depends on designation with reference to the dispute.
Lordship, Lordship may kindly go through this notification, Lordship. In column number 3, Lordship, it has clearly stated that Presiding officer of the labor court is the person who will hear under section 21 of the Minimum Wages Act, Lordship, and against his order, the appeal will lie before the presiding officer of the industrial tribunal.
How are you distinguishing the industrial tribunal and the labor court?
Labor court is situated in different districts, Lordship, and the tribunal is operating in Patna, Lordship.
Pass on that notification. This page 13 is passed under subsection 3 of section 20 of the Minimum Wages Act. Minimum Wages Act book.
Minimum Wages Act.
You have Minimum Wages Act book?
Lordship,
Or who? We have one.
Huh?
We have one more.
Give it to him.
Lordship.
Take page 20. Read subsection 6. Every direction of the authority. You got it? Page 20. Subsection 6.
Lordship.
Every direction of the authority under this section shall be final.
Lordship, there is Bihar amendment, Lordship.
Huh?
There
Sir, this amendment is, you are referring to subsection 6.
Lordship.
This is not correct, subsection 6. Subsection 6 says that every direction of the authority under this section shall be final.
Lordship, there
This
is
notification is issued under a wrong provision.
Lordship, state amendments may be seen, Lordship. In the next page, a state amendment is Bihar, in the Bihar, Lordship.
There is no Bihar,
Lordship.
Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh,
Lordship,
Karnataka.
on page 21, Lordship, at the top, Lordship.
State amendment of Bihar.
Lordship.
Where is the amendment to subsection 6?
Lordship, I may permitted to read, Lordship. D, Lordship, of subsection C.
No, so this section 6 is arising out of which section? This is subsection 6.
Lordship, subsection 6 of
Of which section? Main section?
section 20, Lordship.
No, there is another section.
At the top, Lordship, in its application through state of Bihar in section 20, Lordship. Or at the top, Lordship. Now, under section 20, Lordship, the subsection 6, Lordship,
Yes.
at D, Lordship. Any employer or worker aggrieved by any direction made under subsection 3 by an authority appointed under subsection 1 on an application made under subsection 2 may within 30 days from the date of direction prefer an appeal in such manner and to such authority as the state government may by notification specify in this behalf, and that authority may, after hearing the appeal, confirm, modify or reverse the direction appealed against, and no further appeal shall lie against the order made by such authority in any court of law.
Writ is not maintainable. You have to go and approach her.
Please. Here it is said that any employer or worker. Not employer, my lordship.
That will be decided by the authority, not by this court.
Has no jurisdiction to try this case, Lordship.
Labor
Court that has already passed this order has no jurisdiction to try this case, and the order passed by Labor Court was illegal.
Correct. It has no jurisdiction to what extent? What is the reason? What are the documents?
I mean, because the person who against whom this order has been passed was an agent. He was not an employee.
What is the material to show that he is agent?
I mean, we have submitted in the writ application, my lord.
Correct, sir. Which is the document to show that he is an agent?
We have stated in.
Mere statement is not sufficient. You have to produce material.
We stated in para number 4.
Then we will reject this petition. It is not supported by material information.
I mean, there was no document supporting.
Sir, you are saying that you are an agent?
Yes.
Where is the document?
That document was already not been produced in labor court also that.
You produce here.
Okay, sir.
Lord Counsel for the state submitted that petitioner has a statutory remedy of appeal before the appellate authority in the light of notification dated 29/2/2008 passed under subsection 6 of section 20 of the Minimum Wages Act, 1948. On the other hand, Land Counsel for the petitioner submitted that labor court has no jurisdiction, since a respondent's grievance is required to be agitated before the jurisdictional forum under the state of Himachal Pradesh. For the reasons that whatever the works extracted from the respondent would be under the jurisdiction of Himachal Pradesh. Therefore, labor court has no jurisdiction. In this regard, petitioners have not placed on record that they were agent in respect of providing employment to the contesting respondents. So therefore, they are hereby directed to produce necessary material to show that they were only agent and work has been extracted in the jurisdiction of Himachal Pradesh. If such a material is placed on record before the next date of hearing, present petition would be entertained, failing which a petition would be dismissed, asking the petitioner to invoke remedy of appeal before the appellate authority. List after 2 weeks.
Available.